Welcome back, guys. Will the Thrill here. Today we're going to do a little 101 on how to weld a diff. A buddy of mine dropped off a E46 differential, I think, BMW diff, and we're going to do a quick weld job on it. Stay tuned. I'll show you all about what you got to do. So here's our diff and our beautiful, clean working station with the old handy-dandy little guy. We're not going to tinker today. Here it is. Time to fuck shit up. Today, boys and girls, we are welding a differential. First off, when you spray with brake clean, make sure you don't weld until it's burned out. Alright, so this is what we do. When we weld the diff, these spider gears need to be welded together. First, you're going to start at these four corners, weld them things, and then we're going to plate it after. But the whole point to make this thing basically a full-time posi differential is to make these spider gears no longer move. I'll show you after I get some tacks in. Alright, so we're going to cut some plate out, some hardcore beautiful angle iron here. So it's extra strong for the Drift Pro Mod race cars. Ready to rock. Alright, so as you can see, the four spider gears are welded. She's not pretty, but they are welded. The next step we're going to do, we're going to take this plate, it's a little bit big, we're going to cut a little bit off so I can make sure I can weld it all the way around. But you got the idea. Alright, so there you go. Cut it a little bit smaller than I like, but time to get crazy welding her in there, heavy. Alright, no one said she was pretty, but boy, that boy is welded. Let's show the other side. Alright, here's the other side. Boom, welded. That's all she wrote. From here, throw the cover back on, put some fluid in it, put it back in, go drift some shit. Will the Thrill is checking out. Later, boys.